Hey you guys, I'm Greg with the Fix My Bleep channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. It's beautiful out, and today we're going to do an unboxing of the Klipsch 650 speakers. They're the AW-650 outdoor speakers. Super excited. These are going to be some awesome speakers. I'm going to go over the details of the speakers, the best use, best location of the speakers, the price. There's going to be a link in the description where you can find these things, and let's get to it. Okay, we're just going to take a quick look at this box here, the AW-650 outdoor loudspeaker from Klipsch. So anything specific on the box? Contents: 2 loudspeakers. I opted for the black loudspeaker. So sometimes the box gives you a lot of detail, sometimes not so much here. Of course, made in China, a lot of times you can't get away from that. And you know, the box, not too exciting. If this is the first time you're joining my channel or seeing one of my videos, please go ahead and give me some comments, give me a like and subscribe. I'm actually installing these in a client's tire shop. And once they're all installed, we're going to go back and do a review and just let you guys know what I think of these things later on. So let's go ahead and get to it. All right, you guys, let's go ahead and open one of these up and see what we got. Grab the little table here. Get the bad boy open. All important manual for our weather resistant outdoor speaker, owner's manual. Very important. Very well packed. The speakers are very well packaged here. Alright, let's open one of these up for you. And there we have it. Very heavy bracket. Very big C bracket. And there is our weather resistant outdoor loudspeakers. Okay, so I went ahead and opened up the other speaker just so you can get a good look at these things. They are 9 pounds per speaker. They are for outdoor. The best use of these speakers would be for a pool, a patio, a shop, a garage, a garden area, outdoor area. Businesses use these things all the time. There's a link to the description, or a link in the description. You can buy them on Amazon. They are $5.49 for a pair for 2 of them. I ordered the black ones, as you can tell. I did find them on sale for $2.89, so just keep your eye open. You can get them on sale for $2.89. They are paintable, they're UV resistant, water resistant. It says they're waterproof. I don't know about that. Most people are mounting them up under the eaves or up in a corner somewhere. They have this huge mounting bracket, very heavy duty. It's a 9-pound speaker with a big heavy duty mounting bracket. Your hookups are right here. Mounting bracket will come off, by the way. We'll unscrew right here, top and the bottom. Here's your speaker hookups right here. These will unscrew right there. So very good to see. Speaker hookups. And you've also got more mounting options right here if you have a different type of mount. Very handy to have. These are UV resistant as well. Comes with a very nice heavy C bracket for mounting. And put that bad boy up under the eaves, put it up in the corner on your business, wherever you're at. Just a super heavy duty speaker. Like I said, I'm going to come back and do a review after he's used these for a couple of months, and we're going to go from there. Now these are paintable as well. The speaker itself is UV resistant, says it's waterproof, says it's for outdoor use. Best use is a pool, patio, outdoor, lawn and garden area, shop, garage, pretty much any outdoor recreational area. So I'm excited to hear these things. All right, everybody, there is your Klipsch speaker right there. I did catch it on sale. It's normally $549. I did catch it for $289. So every once in a while, if you watch for it, it does go on sale. So be sure and like and subscribe. If this is the first time you've been seeing my channel, or the first video you've watched of mine, be sure and comment, like, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.